ko ng anak namin. Anak ko yan.
Miss Elizabeth, how are you? How are you po?
I'm pretty good, thank you.
Kasi ganun talaga ang patik sa Thailand, eh. Sa waling ka na.
Sama din!
Pagbakla ka, kinapon ka.
Kasi galing ka ng Phuket, yahaos pa! Kakato! Miss Elizabeth, imbitahan mo naman po yung ating mga madlang people. Good evening po!
Sorry ka. I'd like to invite everybody on Thursday. I'm gonna have my special concert for the 40th anniversary of Music Box. I've been away from home for about 10 years. Ngayon lang ako nakauwi. And I'd like to, I'm so grateful and I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Jerry Gadera and Mr. Mamo Andrew for bringing me here for me to have a show here at the Music Box because I was one of the no pressure right now. I was one of the hosts sa 1980s.
Oh, bakit ka pioneers po?
With Sunny Pika.
Miss Elizabeth, speak of when you're one of the pioneers, ano pong hindi niyo makakalimutang memories dito sa Music Box?
Ha?
Anong hindi niyo makakalimutan mga pangyayari?
Unforgettable memory.
Total lang pong 80s, pero kahit mga 74 na memories.
Yung bukas na show, meron.
But anyway, guys,
Of course, all the friends that I've met long way back, 80s and 90s, they're still looking good.
Like you!
Oo, ikaw ang ganda mo. Palo ang kilay.
Saka kung makikita mo, pero yung
Mata.
I woke up like this.
Ang ganda ng pagpag. Totoo ba yan?
babae.
Sorry. But anyway, guys, huwag na natin matagalin pa. Palakpakan naman natin for Miss Elizabeth!
If you feel like dancing, everybody can stand up and dance wherever you are. Here we go.
Sa